Welcome back to EXPLAINCAD. In previous video we create this 2D drawing by using chain dimension, and in this video we will know about ordinate dimension. For ordinate dimension, first of all I press Ctrl+A and press delete button. For ordinate dimension, select smart dimension. Here is ordinate dimension. For ordinate dimension we specify a 0 point. I select this line and drag it downward. Here 0 is coming. This is 0 point, starting point. Now select this circle. This is at 20 mm from here to here. Next circle is 66 mm away, and then next circle, and select all circles. And now select this line. The full length is from here to here 180 mm. Select OK. For vertical, again select ordinate dimension. Now select this line and here drag it toward this. Here is 0 point. Now I select this circle. This is at 20 mm. This one 30 mm, 55 mm, 75 mm, 101 mm, and the full length is 120 mm. Select OK. Smart dimension. Thickness of the plate 10 mm. Annotation. Hole call out. Select this hole. Here enter 5x. Select OK. This is the ordinate dimension. By selecting this point as a region, specify dimensions from here to here. This one is 75,20. This was the ordinate dimension in 2D drawings. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.